ACDP fans, welcome to Yanhua Tech.
You guys want to find a powerful gearbox transmission tool. Why must ACDP? ACDP allow you to transfer the files between TCM models and not depending on the third party. Just once connect your network and just copy it and paste the files. Only takes some minutes and everything is done. And you see, this is our latest gearbox model working on bench mode, which is simple. Just plug and click. Really safe and reliable, and support vehicles like BMW, Land Rover, Jaguar, Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, Honda, and so on, which is a must for any of you working on workshop. And we have different models for various gearbox. If you have any question, just follow us or leave a comment or contact my WhatsApp. It's been a great day. Thanks for watching.